Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about cystic acne. In particular, we're going to tell you the inspirational story of Stephanie, who has about 5,000 followers on Instagram. She suffers from cystic acne, and by the end of the video, we'll tell you how she went from this to this. But first, let's look at some examples of cystic acne while I tell you a little bit about the condition. According to Medical News Today, while acne is very common, cystic acne is relatively uncommon and more severe. The main factors behind cystic acne are the hormonal changes in puberty, but it can occur in older individuals too. Cystic acne is not caused by chocolate, nuts, or greasy foods, nor by poor hygiene. Cystic acne can be painful as well as emotionally distressing because of its effects on facial appearance. Before I continue, I will note that Amazon has some amazing pimple popping tools to help you with your blackheads and whiteheads. I'll put a link in the description below. Order one for yourself and maybe one for a friend. Christmas is coming up. In Stephanie's case, she struggled with acne for years. She tried diet and exercise, over-the-counter creams and wipes, and virtually all imaginable solutions. In these photos, she shows how she used makeup to cover her acne. She also tried medication and saw moderate improvements. She describes the condition as debilitating, painful, and ugly. So how did she have a transition like this? And how did her skin finally heal? She tried Accutane. Accutane is a form of vitamin A and is used to treat severe nodular acne. The bottom line is we want to congratulate Stephanie. Click like if you agree that she's beautiful, and share this video as inspiration to friends around the world. Also, click subscribe for more videos like this and the bell for notifications. See you next time. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.